What's up? It's your boy Dash Resource. We doing the sell stocks, not dope Sundays again. I may have a guest on, may not. Stay tuned. Just know it's gonna be some good information live on Instagram and immediately ready.
You like, okay, you know the whole game. You got it right. So boom. So what we're gonna get to is the part of after you already did the 5 thing, right? So you already got the 5 things. So let's talk about watch lists. When you're watch list shopping, at all the things you currently buy over and over again, right? If you are an Android person, look up, add Samsung to your watch list. You're an iPhone person, add iPhone to your watch list. You like Pepsi, add Pepsi to your watch list. You like Coca-Cola, add it to your watch list. The list goes on and on again. Add everything you personally buy over and over again. So easy. Now you got a list of people you know. I'm gonna buy this again. It's other people buy it again. You're not the only person. You're an alien, are you? You a fucking alien? All right, boom. If you find that kind of troublesome, such as you don't know the, if you put in like Android and nothing pops up, it's gonna scare you. Say, okay, I'm looking at stupid shit. No, you can literally go to Google search the name, and type in the word ticker. Ticker. Anything you want to buy. Let's say it is Pepsi. You put Pepsi ticker. Pepsi ticker. It's the same thing as like if you're looking for a flight. We all catch flights. If you're looking for a hotel, an airport, you don't look up Los Angeles Airport. You put in LAX. Ticker is the same exact thing, right? It's just a shorter name for the stock that you potentially want to buy. All right. So the next part of your watch list shopping is you buy everything that you got goals and aspirations for. Let's say you want a Tesla, visualize it. You feel me? Put that in your watch list. Watch it, because you can own a share of it and possibly make enough money to go buy one. That's why I tell people all the time. They be like, man, the new 2K coming out. I went and bought 2K for both my sons because I made so much money off of Take-Two that I literally got the games for free. So why not buy my sons the game? I mean, I'm only feeding my investment. So start thinking like that. Start reverse thinking. Start thinking of, if I buy this, I should invest in this, right? So let's get to the second part of the process, which is add every stock under $10. Not every stock, literally, okay? Add every stock that performed well the previous day. Why? The simple answer is this. You should continually add to your watch list all winners, okay? KK, stop. I'm still a dad, y'all. Still a dad. So add every stock that did well, and you want to make sure you populate your watch list with all winners, right? So then you will have other stocks to research, and you also have stocks that you can swing other stocks into. That's swing trading. That's later. I explain swing trading very, very, very quickly. I bought a stock for $5. It's teetering. Let's say it's stuck at $6. I can sell that stock for $1 profit and take that $1 profit to buy another stock that is going up, right? That's exactly what swing trading is. It's all you doing. And if you have a whole list of stocks that do that, you can swing them back and forth. It's super simple. I swear to God, it's not that hard. I got my son, 16-year-old. I'm interviewing him next week. I'm going to pull up to him, and he's going to tell you how he does this on Cash App. He started with $20. He's now at $125, and I owe him because we bet on shit. That's just how I am as a father. I'm very, very competitive. I want my son to be competitive. I want him to understand, my son's very first job is a day trader. Not working at McDonald's, not scrubbing floors, not white. Like, I'm not shitting on nobody, other people. I'm just saying my son's very first job is a day trader. Okay. So let's get to the part where they talk about reviewing and researching, right? So let's talk about review and research. This is a very important part. This doesn't sound like the most exciting part to you, but to me, it's the best part, right? That's why I tell you to put on your watch list things you are interested in. Because if I told you to do research on something you gave no shits about, you're not going to take it that serious. You're not going to learn nothing from it. So you might want to invest in things that you find interesting, correct? Find things you find interesting. Like, I had one person who I'm teaching. I always learn from people I teach. That's why I don't even like charging people, right? Because one person hit me up saying that they do hair. They do hair, they nails, or whatever. And I said, so look into things that you find interesting. I didn't even know there was a stock for Sally's. There's a stock for Sally's. The little hair spot. And I made money off of it based off her telling me about Sally's stock. I went and looked, seen it was down for a week. It was good. I jumped right in there. So reviewing, researching is something it is the meat and potatoes on how you're making money. It's not hard to do. All right. Hope I'm not rambling too much. So in the book, I went over potential trades I did. I go over, my Chronos group is what got me in this thing. I go over that now, but if not, you just read the book. You can understand where I got to where I am, why I invest, why I love investing. It started with Chronos group. So this is very important. Wait till the stock is down, then you buy it. All right. In the game, we want to minimize risk of losing our money. Right. Most people think a stock market as a gamble. They think it's like going to them, it's like buying a lottery ticket. To them, it's like buying a scratch off. To them, it's like going to the fucking boat. It's not that at all. Okay. The stock market is like betting on something that's guaranteed. Okay. Of course, though, the bottom could fall out. But no. If you go with this method, you will only have a list of winners in your backyard to choose from, right? So wait till the stock is down before you buy it. That will minimize your risk, okay? So during this stage, you have to check the previous day. So you would check the previous day. Let's say yesterday it was down. Let's say you pressed the 1 week marker. It was down again. 3 months is down again. 1 year is down again and had one good day. That's a stock I would not add to my watch list. Okay, this was a spark in the pan. This was not a great idea. It was just it was a anomaly, right? You want a trend. You want the stock to do well going up. You don't want it to be a stock that did well once during the pandemic. Right now we have something unprecedented of you can press 3 month mark and you can find out how good a stock did during the pandemic, right? I want to keep this short. But it ain't short. I'm walking through the whole thing, right? So when I think of a stock that does well, just hit the 3 month mark, and you want it to look like a hill going up. If you press a 3 month mark and it's going down, that means it did not perform well during the pandemic. This is not a recession-proof stock. You probably should proceed with caution. That I mean you can't make money off of it, but just proceed with caution, okay? Selling it for profit. When do I sell? This is the number one question. A lot of people hit me up with this. I'm talking about people who've been invested for a while. They've been in the program for a while. I've been showing them. There are 3 simple ways you can know when to sell. It's all about your investment strategy. If your investment strategy is to day trade, then your investment strategy is I want to buy at the daily low and sell at the daily high. So let's say you bought this stock at 60 cents a day. The highest it got was 80 cents. You want to hit that 80 cent. You may hit around 75, whatever, but you want to hit that 80 cent, okay? If you are midterm on a stock, this is why investment strategies are important, because you can have 7 different people invest on the same stock with different goals, have different outcomes, different price points. For a midterm hold, you want to look into something like you want to look into how good it did over a 3 month period. So you want to buy at the 3 month low and sell at the 3 month high. Ain't that simple? If you're a long-term investor, you want to typically buy it at the 52-week low, but you can still get in later than that. But you typically want to sell at the 52-week high, or you want to keep it long-term. Okay? That is the whole game, y'all. That is the whole game. That's the whole game. So I walked over the whole 5 process. Matter of fact, I'm going to go back over it again, okay? Sell for profit. Let's get to the part where I talk about, okay, this is not my final project. Wait. Give me 1 second so I can get to the actual book. Because the book, I literally walked it back down. So just bear with me for 1 second. One second. Okay, boom. Here we go. We're in the class formatted. We're going all the way to the bottom. We almost done, y'all. We almost done. 1 second, Kika.
I'm second.
I said 1 second. All right. All right, boom, 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 boom. We got the watch list to stop, and we going down to the last part. My bad, y'all. My bad. Conclusion. Okay. So how much should I start with? So we run on the 5 questions that people ask. I think it's 5 questions. If not, just act like I didn't say 5. How much should I start with when I invest? Typically, people start with $100, but you can always start for free with paper trading. Paper trading is something exclusively with Webull, where you can literally trade for free using fake money. It's like Monopoly money. But I don't prefer that. I think you have a vested interest if you put your money into the market compared to you know what I'm saying, not trading, right? So how do I know what to buy? Using the Dash Resource 5-step program, you have a list of stocks to look through each day that are potential winners for the future within your price range, because we want to keep it below $10. You're going to see things in there that's above $10. You're going to see things in there that you want to put on your want list. That's going to be part of your watch list, all right? How do I know when to sell? Ideally, you want to sell at its highest point, but that changes depending on what the investment strategy you use. Like I said before, if you are day trading, you want to buy at the daily low, sell at the daily high. As a midterm investor, you want to do the 3-week low, sell for the 3-week high. As a long-term investor, you want to buy at the 52-week low, sell for the 52-week high. KK, you see me? Come on, man. What we doing here? Stop. Give me 1 second. I'm almost done. You see, KK, she not going to let me live. All right. So, and the last question is, how risky is it? So, like I said, using the 5-step program, we will minimize the risk, but risk still exists when it comes to stock market, and you can potentially lose your entire investment. So legally, I had to say that, right? But I'm telling you, this method is tried, proven. If you do not like it, well, if you don't like it, it's all good, because certain investment strategy other people employ, such as the ones I promote on my page, it may work for you, okay? Don't have too many chefs in your kitchen. Find one that works for you, but I promise you, mine is proven. I'm at 238% on my investments. I want you to employ the same exact investment strategy that minimizes your risk. You're not literally guessing anymore. You literally have the whole thing ironed out for you. If you need any more nailing down of this, please get the book. The link is in my description on my link tree. But salute to y'all. I'm currently now in a foreign exchange. I got trying money. I'm doing so many different things right now. So the next videos will be, you know what I'm saying, me interviewing other people. Me just invite people to the cool table, man. Like, let's do it. I want y'all to know that this strategy works. It works. And it's crazy that other people just don't see how easy it is, but it's just my gift, obviously. So I'm here to help y'all. dashresource.com. Make sure y'all hit up the futuretechstore.com. We got the Future Tech Store products coming soon. I'm going to be showing them. You know what I mean? I'm going to be like doing demos over this in the third. I want y'all to know. Please check it out. It's like a virtual general store. It has everything from cat toys to gadgets to smartphones to a local rapper starter kit. Like, you can literally plug your phone into it and start rapping today. So I want to salute everybody that tuned in. If not, it ain't no hard feelings. It's lit. Welcome to the cool table. It's Dash Resource, man. Dividends, assets, stocks, and health, man. Love y'all.